New life in the UK practice test. Chapter 5. Test 10. 24 questions and answers. The UK government. The law and your role. The development of British democracy. The British Constitution. The government. The UK and international institutions. Respecting the law. The role of the courts. Fundamental principles. Taxation. Driving. Your role in the community. How you can support your community. Looking after the environment. Someone wishing to stand as a candidate for election as an MP would need to be how old? 16, 18, 21. There is no minimum age limit. Correct answer, 18. Explanation. Anyone aged 18 or over can stand for election as an MP, but they are unlikely to win unless they have been nominated to represent one of the major political parties. As well as giving legal advice, solicitors are able to do which two of the following? Arrest suspects, change the law, represent clients in court, take action for a client. Correct answer are: represent clients in court, take action for a client. Explanation. Solicitors are trained lawyers who give advice on legal matters, take action for their clients and represent their clients in court. Is the statement true or false? There are no differences between the court systems of England, Northern Ireland, Scotland and Wales. False. True. Correct answer, false. Explanation. There are some differences between the court systems in England and Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. Can young people in every part of the UK volunteer with the National Citizen Service? No. Only young people resident in England can volunteer. Yes, but each part of the UK has a different website for information about the service. Correct answer. Yes, but each part of the UK has a different website for information about the service. Explanation. There are many opportunities for younger people to volunteer and receive accreditation which will help them to develop their skills. These include the National Citizen Service Programme, which gives 16 and 17-year-olds the opportunity to enjoy outdoor activities, develop their skills and take part in a community project. You can find out more about these opportunities as follows. National Citizen Service at England, www.vinspired.com. Wales, www.gwevil.org. Scotland, www.vds.org.uk. Northern Ireland, www.volunteernow.co.uk. Is the statement true or false? Adult citizens of other EU states may vote in general elections. False. True. Correct answer, false. Explanation. Adult citizens of the UK and citizens of the Commonwealth and the Irish Republic who are resident in the UK can vote in all public elections. Adult citizens of other EU states who are resident in the UK can vote in all elections except general elections. At the beginning of the 19th century, which one of the following groups could vote? All adults over the age of 18. All women who owned property. Property-owning men over the age of 18. Property-owning men over the age of 21. Correct answer, property-owning men over the age of 21. Explanation. They were men who were over 21 years of age and who owned a certain amount of property. Which of these statements is correct? You do not need the help of a lawyer to issue a small claim. You will need the help of a lawyer to issue a small claim. Correct answer. You do not need the help of a lawyer to issue a small claim. Explanation. The small claims procedure is an informal way of helping people to settle minor disputes without spending a lot of time and money using a lawyer. How many countries belong to the Commonwealth? 12, 25, 29, 54. Correct answer, 54. Explanation. The Queen is the ceremonial head of the Commonwealth, which currently has 54 member states. See table below. Membership is voluntary. The Northern Ireland Assembly makes decisions in which two of the following areas: agriculture, foreign policy, nuclear energy, the environment. Correct answer: agriculture, the environment. Explanation: the Northern Ireland Assembly can make decisions on issues such as education, agriculture, the environment, health, social services. Which of the following countries does not belong to the Commonwealth? Canada, Germany, Ghana, Singapore. Correct answer: Germany. Explanation: the Queen is the ceremonial head of the Commonwealth, which currently has 54 member states. See table. Which of the following is a document that sets out fundamental rights or freedoms? The Act of Union, the Habeas Corpus Act, the Statute of Rhuddlan, the UK Constitution. Correct answer: the Habeas Corpus Act. Explanation: Britain has a long history of respecting an individual's rights and ensuring essential freedoms. These rights have their roots in Magna Carta, the Habeas Corpus Act, and the Bill of Rights of 1689. Which of these statements is correct? The Commonwealth is a group of countries that support each other and work together. The Commonwealth is a group of religions that together make up a federal republic. Correct answer: the Commonwealth is a group of countries that support each other and work together. Explanation: the Commonwealth is an association of countries that support each other and work together towards shared goals in democracy and development. Which of these statements is correct? The National Assembly for Wales and the Welsh Government are based in Cardiff. The National Assembly for Wales and the Welsh Government are based in Edinburgh. Correct answer: the National Assembly for Wales and the Welsh Government are based in Cardiff. Explanation: the Welsh Government and National Assembly for Wales are based in Cardiff, the capital city of Wales. Is the statement below true or false? The Council of Europe has the power to make laws, which are binding in member states. False. True. Correct answer: false. Explanation: the Council of Europe is separate from the EU. It has 47 member countries, including the UK, and is responsible for the protection and promotion of human rights in those countries. It has no power to make laws but draws up conventions and charters, the most well-known of which is the European Convention on Human Rights and Fundamental Freedoms, usually called the European Convention on Human Rights. Queen Elizabeth II is the head of state for which two are the following? Iceland, many Commonwealth countries, the European Union, the United Kingdom. Correct answers of many Commonwealth countries and the United Kingdom. Explanation: Queen Elizabeth II is the head of state of the UK. She is also the monarch or head of state for many countries in the Commonwealth. Which of these statements is correct? Completed ballots must be handed to an election official. Completed ballots must be placed in a ballot box. Correct answer: completed ballots must be placed in a ballot box. Explanation: you should follow the instructions on the ballot paper. Once you have completed it, put it in the ballot box. Is the statement below true or false? The Old Bailey is the world's most famous magistrates' court. False. True. Correct answer: false. Explanation: the Old Bailey is probably the most famous criminal court in the world. Which of these statements is correct? Chequers is the Prime Minister's country house. Chequers is the Prime Minister's house in London. Correct answer: Chequers is the Prime Minister's country house. Explanation: the Prime Minister, PM, is the leader of the political party in power. He or she appoints the members of the cabinet, see below, and has control over many important public appointments. The official home of the Prime Minister is 10 Downing Street, in central London, near the Houses of Parliament. He or she also has a country house outside London called Chequers. Is the statement below true or false? The police do not need to protect and help people who are not UK citizens. False. True. Correct answer, false. Explanation. The police force is a public service that helps and protects everyone, no matter what their background or where they live. Anyone who wishes to buy tobacco or tobacco products must be over what age? 14, 16, 18, 21. Correct answer, 18. Explanation. Selling tobacco. It is illegal to sell tobacco products, for example, cigarettes, cigars, roll-up tobacco, to anyone under the age of 18. Is it acceptable in the UK to treat people worse because of their sexual orientation? No, it is never acceptable to treat people worse for their sexual orientation. Yes, if their sexual orientation is forbidden by religion. Correct answer, no, it is never acceptable to treat people worse for their sexual orientation. Explanation. Although Britain is one of the world's most diverse societies, there is a set of shared values and responsibilities that everyone can agree with. These values and responsibilities include to treat everyone equally, regardless of sex, race, religion, age, disability, class or sexual orientation. Official reports of parliamentary proceeding are published in which of the following? Hansard, the BBC magazine, the Sunday Times, the Telegraph. Correct answer, Hansard. Explanation. Proceedings in Parliament are broadcast on television and published in official reports called Hansard. West Germany, France, Luxembourg, the Netherlands and Italy formed the European Economic Community, EEC, in 1957 along with which other country? Albania, Belgium, Ireland, Sweden. Correct answer, Belgium. Explanation. The European Union, EU, originally called the European Economic Community, EEC, was set up by 6 Western European countries: Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, Luxembourg and the Netherlands, who signed the Treaty of Rome on the 25th of March 1957. Is the statement below true or false? All MPs represent one of the main political parties. False. True. Correct answer. False. Explanation. Each MP represents a parliamentary constituency, which is a small area of the country.